natin pero exit agad yung tinuturo sa your family in the zoo.
Yes, I am very excited.
Wow.
Nag-animal print pa si Nika for today. Pasok na tayo sa Al Ain Zoo. Hello guys! So ayan, kararating lang natin dito sa may Al Ain Zoo. From Dubai, it took us 1.5 hours kasi umalis kami ng 12:15 in the afternoon. And we got here at exactly 1:48 p.m. 1.5 hour halos yung drive namin, yung biyahe namin papunta rito sa zoo. And this is the parking area. It is Sunday. And ito yung free parking. Ayan. So today we have Mikey, Darwin, Belay, and Nika joining us today. Belay, are you excited to see your family in the zoo?
Yes, I am very excited.
Yes,
I haven't seen them in 8 months.
Family.
Eto, si kapatid. Bireng,
Long-lost relative.
sinong gusto mo makita today sa zoo? Sino sa family members natin?
Ayan.
Sino gusto mo?
Sino pa ba?
Ayan, nag-animal print pa si Nika for today.
Para reunion kami.
Baka malito kami,
Yes, si Darwin, ayan o, ito pa isang vloggerist.
namin yung namin ninuno.
Yeah, mga ninuno natin, nasa loob yung mga gorilya. Ayan. So ngayon, nandito lang kami sa parking guys, and then papasok na tayo dun sa main entrance ng zoo. And then check natin kung magkano yung mga rates ng mga tickets. So kararating lang natin pero exit agad yung tinuturo sa atin. Exit na daw tayo agad. Al Ain Avenue Ticketing Cafe and Tram. May pa-tram. Sige, dito tayo, pasok tayo dito. Supposedly winter pa rin dapat sa Dubai ngayon, pero hindi naman siya ganun kalamig na. And yung init niya, sakto lang, hindi siya ganun kainit. Tapos may konting wind. Very excited na guys. Ayun na yung entrance. Nakikita ko na yung entrance. Ayan, meron din mga buses, mga shuttle. Darwin. Ayan. Oh, si kapatid, ayun. Naka-vlog din siya. Yes. So, ito yung pinaka entrance ng Al Ain Zoo. So ayan yung ticketing office. Pipila muna tayo so we can get our tickets. Ito yung rates nila. So for single day ticket is 31.50 for adults, and for junior it's 10.50. And then single ticket and shuttle service is 73.50 for the adults, 31.50 for the junior. And for the weekend, it's 94.50 and 42 dirhams para sa junior. And then yung single ticket plus safari truck, it's 210. Bayad lang natin ng ticket. So just a heads up, 4 years old below, they're free. And then 60 years old and above, they are also free. Yung kinuha namin na ticket is for general admission. It's only 31.50 per person. And tumatanggap naman sila ng credit card payments. Have an ATM machine here. So yan, ATM room. Pasok lang kayo dito. Guys, pasok na tayo sa Al Ain Zoo. Ayan na siya yung entrance. Let's go! Okay guys, so you can just scan your ticket.
Okay, please come inside.
Okay, and nakapasok na tayo guys. So pwede nyo scan yung mga tickets nyo. So, pagdating namin dito, merong nagpe-perform ng mga locals. Kain ka be. Lagay mo ulo mo dali. Kaso walang pang picture. Video lang. Ayan na yung mag-ama. Yung mag-amang hippo. Yeah, the father and the son hippo. naman, crocodile.
They're very fast.
Yeah.
Love the staff.
Stability for swimming.
Like its eyes are moving. Opening and closing watch.
Oh yeah, it's real. Kala ko fake.
That was his eyes open, right?
Yeah.
That's the normal.
Wow, well, that'd been a great picture, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Walang hipo sa Philippines.
Isn't it great how were they able to
Keep filming
open
it
their
like
mouth?
Here.
No.
Did you see that video? It's like a bomb, isn't it?
Gonna go all the way to the end, all the way back, and then this is the Are you guys ready?
Ayan guys, yung mga cheetah. So, palabas na sila. Oh, that's the first one. Ang bilis.
Wow, let's grab for myself. Right. Get the whistle and go. Shift na right.
Inside Al Ain Zoo, you'll find the Sheikh Zayed Desert Learning Center. The center is a tribute to Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan and his belief in protecting the nature and lifestyle na may balance sa environment. Matatagpuan ito sa loob ng Al Ain Zoo kaya hindi lang siya museum, directly connected siya sa wildlife at conservation. Eco-friendly ang building dahil gumagamit ito ng solar energy, natural ventilation at smart design, kaya isa siya sa pinaka-green na building sa region. Its design was inspired by the sand dunes kaya parang natural lang na bahagi siya ng desert landscape. Dinadala ka ng exhibits mula sa ancient past ng desert hanggang sa modern UAE and ipinapakita kung paano naka-adapt ang buhay sa matinding environment. Hindi ito typical na museum and puno ito ng interactive displays at multimedia experiences na enjoyable para sa lahat ng ages. Isa sa main topics dito ang climate change at kung paano naapektuhan ng tao ang mga sensitive desert ecosystems. Pinapakita rin dito ang traditional Emirati knowledge tulad ng water conservation at desert survival skills. May mga workshops, school programs at research activities kaya active learning space talaga siya. Higit pa ito sa simpleng pasyalan at ini-encourage nito ang long-term thinking tungkol sa future ng ating planet. Makita mo na kapatid mo, Be? Ang pangalan niyan, si Paolo. Paolo.
Yes, isn't it?
Kaso may light may... Ang ganda ng flamingo.
Justin Bieber.
How big those wings are.
Actually, ito yung tiger eh. Oh. Ay, yung legs niya. Oh. Apat. Yung trunk. This is the tiger, Mike. See? The legs?
So that's it for Al Ain Zoo. Going home now. Bye-bye na tayo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye guys!
Bye. See you on the next vlog.